Hey, Brian Bach with Bach Steam Star here. Been in the business now for over 30 years. I'm a certified master cleaner, and I can't tell you how many times we see damage done to your home furnishings, carpets, upholstery, rugs, floors, just over bad product. And I don't blame you. You don't know what I know. So I've cherry-picked products as we've come across them through the years for you guys to have after we leave. Okay, so they work great. You can be confident they're safe for the fabrics that we're dealing with, and they're very effective. These are professional formulations. Quite frankly, you will not buy in a grocery store. Most of them are only distributed through professional cleaners. So if you're looking at the brochure, the website, those are listed, but that's kind of the idea here. These are very unique, and we can bring these obviously right to your door. You can come by the office and pick some of this stuff up too. We can even ship it to you for a nominal charge. But two of the biggest ones I just want to drill down to, our top sellers are our Home Pro Neutral Spotter and our Pet Spotter for obvious reasons. The Home Pro Spotter, I think every home should have. It's a very versatile product. It is a neutral pH product. It's got the Carpet and Rug Institute seal of approval, so somebody a lot smarter than me in a lab coat has tested this product and said it's safe for carpets and water-safe fabrics. You can use it on carpets, rugs, upholstery, and be very safe, but yet effective. Okay, some of the problems we see with product out there, it leaves a bunch of sticky goo behind, and then it collects soil back. Sometimes they can affect the stain-resistant coatings that have been put on these in a negative way. And if you have a home unit, I would say this is probably a better option. You don't run it through your machine, but you pre-spot with it, and then just run water through your machines and get your spots out. Most of the home units, my personal opinion here, I know that sounds self-serving, just don't do an effective job of overall cleaning, and they might be leaving residue behind that can actually get your carpets dirty faster. So these would be good. The Pet Spotter is very specific. If we use Home Pro and it doesn't take the spot out, we probably have a stain. Okay, urine, vomit, feces leaves that yellow color and can be problematic. Wine, anything that is organic that leaves color. This is a great product on synthetics. Don't use this on wool, and all the instructions are on the bottle. But this is good just to leave on that, and it's souped up hydrogen peroxide in there and some deodorizing capabilities as well. So those are just two I want to drill down on. The other ones that you see, we have a tile and grout cleaning product, we have a wood floor cleaning product, and the Avenge product is really just the Home Pro product in a gallon form, and if you want to buy it in bigger quantities. So we've kind of cherry picked those to you. If you're interested, the technicians can talk more about it and may have some of those on the trucks. Thanks a lot.